seen ones like that before.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Whoa, shoot.
Oh my god.
Hold the camera still. Whoa. Jesus. That's so. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. He should stop. Knock the wind off this thing.
And then go fly up. Oh my gosh. Oh
God,
oh
no. Oh, shit. Never. And all the airplane rides we've had, never had it that heavy before. Oh my God. Like a roller coaster. Take your stomach away, baby.
Yeah.
I hope we don't land like that. Cancun, you better be worth it. Yeah. At least it didn't do this over the ocean. Holy crap.
Oh, I felt that one.
Yummy. Where's the
Everybody brace for the landing.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Oh my god. It almost landed on the road. Right?
No more for that guy.
This thing's under that. Oh,
Wow.
It's a hidden world.
Holy crap, we are fixing to land. I hope this changes. Oh, come on. Holy crap. Hold on, Alicia. Jesus Christ. Man, yeah. And we're at the back of it, too. Oh, thank God.
Oh.
What happened?